The Irkut MC-21 is the first built-from-scratch Russian airliner to enter the medium-haul market in more than 20 years. So far, Irkut has 175 firm orders for the MC-21. The MC-21 will be available in two versions. The jet will debut with the MC-21-300, which can carry up to 211 passengers. A smaller, 165-seat MC-21-200 will also be available. MC-21 customers will have a choice of two different engines. The first is the Pratt & Whitney PW1400G. It features state-of-the-art, fuel-saving, geared turbofan technology. Also available is the Russian Navy Advigatel PD-14 turbofan. Here's the PD-14 mounted under the wing of an Ilyushin Il-76 test plane. Up front, the MC-21 features a modern glass cockpit, featuring side-stick technology. The aircraft also features an array of lightweight materials, including carbon fiber reinforced plastic as well as fiberglass composite body panels. Irkut has been keen to remind the public that its plane has a wider cabin than its competitors. In airline service, the MC-21 features 6 abreast seating in coach. And 4 abreast seating in business class. Mood lighting is present, as well. Irkut claims that the pivot-type overhead bins speed up the deplaning process. The large lavatories are optimized to speed up cleaning. There's a seat-back entertainment system to keep passengers occupied. Here's the spacious galley. According to Irkut, the MC-21 is expected to speed up the time it takes an airline to turn around a plane for flight by 20%. The aircraft is currently in production at the Irkutsk factory. The MC-21 isn't expected to enter service until 2020. Irkut is pitching its new plane to prospective buyers for a variety of applications, ranging from scheduled airline service to private jet duty.